What's up, good people? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a little house update for you because I finally got two important things for the house, a TV and a couch. And honestly, these two things already make the space feel so different. Let's start with the TV. I just got it and I'm about to unbox it. I always get a little nervous unboxing electronics because you want everything to be perfect inside. But everything looks good so far. The screen is intact, the accessories are all there, so that's a win. I'm really excited about this because now I can finally relax and watch something at home instead of using my phone all the time. And yeah, I can now watch myself on TV. Next up was the showroom because I also needed a couch. There were literally so many options to choose from, different colors, different sizes, different styles. And even though I had something in mind, it took me a minute to decide what would work best for my space. After looking around for a while, I finally found one that I liked. It's simple, comfortable, and I feel like it fits the vibe I want for the house. So I got this shade of grey that matches perfectly with my carpet. Once I picked the couch, they started packaging it so it could be delivered. Seeing it being wrapped up and prepared for delivery made it feel real, like okay, this is actually happening. And now we are finally back home. The couch is here, the TV is here, and the house is slowly coming together. The only thing is the TV is currently on the floor because I haven't bought a TV stand yet. That will definitely be the next thing on the list. But honestly, even like this, it already feels so much better than before. It's still a work in progress, but I'm really happy with how everything is starting to look. Little by little, the house is becoming a home. Let me know what you think, what should be the next purchase, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!